Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you why After Effects users need this new plugin for After Effects. What plugin is that? It's my new Layer LUT exporter tool for After Effects, which allows you to simply click on a layer with some color correction or effects applied, go to Layer, Export LUT, select the location and name of your LUT, hit save, and literally within seconds it's going to open up the exported cube file with the accurate color representation in a LUT file. So if you want to check it out, the link will be in the description. You can check it out on aescripts. You can see all of the features and stuff that comes along with it. But the main point is that it's a super simple and fast plugin where once you install it, you literally just select your layer menu, export LUT, save it, and it's ready to go. So this video I'm going to separate into 4 categories, the 4 kind of AE users that I think will most benefit from this type of plugin. The first kind of user is one who sells and shares packs, LUTs, presets, and all that kind of thing. Take Motion Bro, for example. It's an extension which uses a whole bunch of built-in packs. You can access, their transitions, their infographics, all that kind of thing. If you're the kind of person that's creating packages like this and distributing them to the public, you may have a ton of LUTs that you want to integrate, but what better way to create these LUTs than right outside of After Effects, where you can have a whole bunch of layers or compositions with your color correction presets embedded, and then you can export them super fast and create a giant LUT library to sell. Or even if you're that kind of creator, you can take existing projects you have instead of just LUT specific ones and export LUTs from, cool effects or cinematography that you did before. Let's move on to category number 2. Category number 2 are colorists and editors. Kind of go into the same vein, but generally colorists are always going to be dealing with all kinds of LUTs and color correction type of things. So because of that, it's important to have that power. So you can export your LUT like we just did out of After Effects. And then maybe you are doing your color work inside of DaVinci. And in DaVinci, of course, we can do a LUT file by plugging in an input to the file LUT node here, then browsing to our just exported LUT file, select it, and boom, in seconds we have a LUT taken from After Effects and then applied to footage inside of DaVinci Resolve. So whether you're an editor or a colorist in After Effects, maybe Premiere, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, the LUT files are going to translate perfectly and allow you to have both color accuracy and speed when transferring between different programs. Category number 3 are cinematographers and filmmakers in general. If you are in this category of people, most likely you're higher up on the leadership roles, and being in that leadership role, you might be having to take and send files or concepts between different types of artists, depending, of course, where you work. But in that case, you want to have full control. Say you're working on a project in Premiere, but you've got another one in After Effects. Being able to take something from After Effects and make it universal in this LUT or cube file is super important. Or maybe you are a filmmaker or in a leadership role that you just have Premiere and you send this plugin to one of your editors or colorists in After Effects and you say, hey, I need a LUT file for this video that I can pop into Premiere. So you apply a Lumetri color, choose Browse, select your exported LUT or LUT that was sent to you, and boom, just like that, we have the same color correction applied via this LUT file. And category 4, the rest of everybody who uses After Effects. Yes, that's not necessarily a category, but I think that everyone needs this feature at some point, whether you're a VFX artist, an editor, making memes, whatever, you may need to export a LUT at some point, and this is a feature that should be built into After Effects. It's built into things like DaVinci Resolve, but After Effects has never had a LUT exporter, something that analyzes all the colors being changed in an accurate way and creates a file in just a few seconds that you can then send to any program. And if you're just getting into maybe color correction and you have no ability to export or manipulate LUTs easily in After Effects, it may be something that you're not further interested in because there's just no support for it. But now with Layer LUT Exporter, you can export LUTs super easy out of After Effects. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Again, check out the link in the description for the purchase link to Layer LUT Exporter, a super fast and accurate tool to create LUTs off of your layers in After Effects and then have them available for you for future use for other programs to sell and all the use cases we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.